So this is the apartment. On my right, this is bedroom, okay. Guest washroom. Obviously, this is me. Just forgot about me. Just focus on this beautiful, luxurious apartment. This is like a separate washroom for the maid. And here straight, it is the kitchen, the big spacious kitchen. It has everything, basic equipment. So this is the living area. I like the furnishing. Okay, this is the living area. Oh, the main thing, Burj Khalifa. Just on your feet, it's a Burj Khalifa. You can see fireworks, water dance just from your living area. Okay. The whole downtown area. This is master bedroom. It's not cleaned yet. In the master bedroom also full Burj Khalifa view. Wow, just amazing. Okay. Big cabinets, inbuilt cabinets. Okay, both sides. Washroom for the master bedroom. Everything is amazing about this apartment. Let's go to another bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Okay. Smart building. This is the third bedroom. Oh, sorry, I didn't show you the Burj Khalifa from the bedroom. This is the view. Wow. Imagine you're sitting here, laying down, and you're watching the water dance. Let's go to the this is washroom for second bedroom. This is me. Let's go to the balcony. This is, we have a dining area. Actually, it's spacious. So this is the balcony. How beautiful it is, man. view from your balcony. We have another apartment in this building. Same Burj Khalifa view. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. If you are interested in that too, let me know. This was a tour of 3.5 bedroom apartment in Residences Tower by INR. Full view of Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall. If you want to book it, if you have inquiry, just contact me on my given number. I'll get back to you.